You have tried everything for your skin: cleansers, creams, serums, cutting out dairy, cutting out gluten, spending money on products that promise to fix what is happening on the outside. But what if every breakout, every eczema flare, every patch of irritated skin started with one skin cell receiving the wrong signal? Acne, eczema, psoriasis, premature aging. These are not random surface problems. Research suggests they are different expressions of chronic inflammation occurring inside your skin. Welcome to CellFresco. One belief drives everything we do here. Every cell has a healing food. Today we are going beneath the surface, not to your skin cream, but to your skin cells. 3 cellular problems, 3 healing foods. What to eliminate, a daily protocol, and a CellFresco bonus that goes beyond food. Now the story. Imagine your skin as a castle. The outer wall is built by keratinocytes. Behind that wall work fibroblasts, the master builders producing collagen and elastin. When the wall is strong, moisture stays in and irritants stay out. But chronic inflammation changes the instructions these cells receive. Every bite you eat is sending instructions to your skin cells. Some instructions promote inflammation, others promote repair. Problem 1. The factory that never stops. Imagine a brick factory that never stops making bricks. Soon everything becomes blocked. That is what can happen inside your pores. Insulin and IGF-1 tell keratinocytes to grow faster and produce more sebum. Dead skin cells build up, sebum builds up, bacteria multiply, your immune system reacts. The result is an inflamed breakout. The breakout is not the problem. It is the message your skin cells are sending back to you. The healing food, green tea. EGCG helps calm the signaling that drives excess keratinocyte activity. Think of green tea as telling the factory, slow down, the emergency is over. Your action, 2 cups of green tea every day, no sugar. Problem 2, your castle wall is losing its mortar. Ceramides are the mortar between your skin cells. When they fall, tiny gaps appear, water escapes, irritants enter, inflammation floods in. The healing food, fatty fish. Think of omega-3s as the repair truck bringing fresh mortar back to the castle wall. Salmon and sardines provide EPA and DHA that studies indicate support ceramide production and reduce the inflammatory signals breaking your skin barrier down. Your action, salmon or sardines 3 times per week. Problem 3, your builders have put down their tools. Imagine experienced builders putting down their tools and spending all day setting off fire alarms instead of repairing the castle. That is what aging fibroblasts begin to do. Less collagen, more inflammatory signaling. Research confirms that vitamin E levels are significantly lower in people with chronic inflammatory skin conditions. Less vitamin E, more damaged fibroblasts, older-looking skin. The healing food, almonds. Vitamin E helps protect fibroblasts from oxidative damage. Zinc supports the collagen production process. Think of almonds as the protective shield around your builders, keeping them working, keeping them young. Your action, 1 handful of almonds every single day. The goal is not simply to clear your skin, the goal is to change the signals your skin cells are receiving every day. Your daily protocol. 3 foods, 3 healing signals, 1 healthier skin barrier, green tea every day, fatty fish 3 times per week, almonds every day. What to eliminate? Reduce sugar and refined carbohydrates. They spike insulin and IGF-1, telling your keratinocytes to keep overproducing. Limit processed omega-6 oils. They fuel the inflammatory pathway that worsens every skin condition. Avoid excessive dairy if it worsens your skin. Research associates high dairy intake with elevated IGF-1 and sebum signaling. Limit alcohol. It depletes zinc and vitamin E, the 2 nutrients your fibroblast builders need most. Protect your sleep. Growth hormone released overnight is one of the primary signals for skin cell repair and collagen synthesis. These are not simply unhealthy habits. They are direct inputs into the cellular signals driving this disease. CellFresco Bonus. 1 extra cellular signal. Because food is not the only language your cells understand. Food is not the only thing your skin cells listen to. That is why every CellFresco episode ends with 1 extra cellular signal. Before we finish, there is 1 more cellular signal that is too powerful to leave out, and it does not come from food. The signal, cold water. The cells listening, mast cells. The response, less inflammatory signaling. 30 seconds, every morning. Here is why your skin cells care. Your skin contains immune cells called mast cells. When they are triggered by inflammation, stress, or environmental irritants, They release histamine and inflammatory compounds. That release is what drives the redness, the itch, and the flare. Emerging research suggests that brief cold exposure may help reduce mast cell activation and calm inflammatory signaling in the skin. In simple terms, it may tell those immune cells to stand down, to stop releasing the alarm signal. Think of it as a reset button for your skin's inflammatory alarm system. And it costs nothing. 30 seconds of cold water on your face every morning, before anything else. This is your CellFresco Bonus. One extra signal, sent to your skin before your day has even begun. Now back to where we began. The breakouts, the flare-ups, the early aging. You were right to believe something deeper was happening. Every bite is a conversation with your skin cells. Every habit sends another cellular signal. Every day is another opportunity to change the conversation. Tomorrow is breakfast is your first chance to change what you are saying. Every cell has a healing food. Your skin cells are no exception. If this video helped you understand your skin from the inside out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to CellFresco. Keep healing, keep thriving.